Okay, students, this is the word problem number 3 of fraction operation. So let's read the sentence carefully again. So John had 4 kilogram of flour. So this one 4 kilogram of flour had 4 kilogram of flour. And then the next thing is that we can read is he used 7 out of 15 kilogram to make cakes, and then use 9 out of 10 kilogram of flour to make cookies. So he used the flour to make cakes and cookies. So after that we have two questions that we need to answer here. How much flour did John use and how much flour did he have left? Okay, so as always, I have said before that we need to write down all the fractions in the working space over here. So what we need to write over here is 7 out of 15, and then we also need to write down 9 out of 10 kilogram. Now after that we need to make sure that the fractions in the working space here have the same denominator, right? So as you can see, this is the smaller denominator, which is 10. 10 cannot jump to 15, right? Because 15 is not a multiple of 10. So and then we need to check the common factor, right? Do they have common factor? And then the answer is yes. Okay, I think the common factor for 10 and 15 is 5. So we need to write down like this. We need to write down the 5 is the common factor, right? So after that, what we need to do, 10 divided by 5, we know it, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3, and then we draw the arrow that cross like this, and then we see, okay, 10 denominator 10 need to multiply with 3, and then denominator 15 you will multiply with 2. So what we need to do here, again same thing, we copy the fractions, and then we multiply the numerator and denominator. Now 15 over here, you see 15 multiply with 2, so this side will multiply with 2, and then you will have this one is 14 out of 30. And then 9 out of 10, let's just copy the fraction again, copy the fractions, and then you see multiple the 10 with the 3, so multiple with 3, numerator also multiple with 3, and then we have 27 out of 30. Now then after that we have the fractions in the same denominator, right? Okay, so what we need to do after that, we need to draw the model. We have the model, let's just draw one model. Okay, so to make cakes, right, to make cakes and to make flour, to make cookies, to make cookies. Now and then let's see, so what we have here, so we have 14 out of 30, 7 out of 15 over here, right, to make cakes. And as you can see, this number, this fraction is smaller than the 27 out of 30, right? So this, we just need to draw we draw the bar, this is the shorter bar, and then to make cookies we need to draw a longer bar, because the fraction is bigger. Now so let's just write down the fraction over here, 7 out of 15, which is 14 out of 30, and then over here is 9 out of 10, which is 27 out of 30. Now after that we need to, how much flour did John use? So this one is the question mark, right? So this is the question mark. Now and then we know, right, used to make cakes and used to make cookies, right? So we just add up the two fractions. This is question A. 7 out of 15 plus 9 out of 10. This is equal to 14 out of 30 plus 27 out of 30, and then we have the same denominator, then we just do the addition now. Is about 41 out of 30, and then make it as mixed number. 41 divided by 30, the result is 1, the remainder is 11. So this is question A. Yeah. And then question B, right, have 4 kilograms. John had 4 kilograms, right? 4 kilograms. If I just do the working over here, right, 4 kilogram. Now, and then use 1 11 out of 30, right? And then left, we do not know. Now, so we need to solve this one. So we need to have 4 minus 1 11 out of 30, right? The amount that he used. And then what do we need to do? As always, right, this one we can set 4 comes from 3 plus 1. What is 1? 1 is 30 out of 30. Now 30 out of 30 minus 11 out of okay, let's just do this one. Yeah, so let's just deal with the whole number first. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 30 out of 30 minus 11 out of 30 is 19 out of 30. So this is how we get the answer, and then you just write down the answer statement, right? How much flour did John use? John used 11 out of 30 kilogram of flour. And then how much flour did he have left? John have 19 out of 30 kilogram of flour left. Okay, so that's how we do the question number 3. I hope you understand it. See the step one by one, and then we solve it one by one. Okay, so that's all for question number 3. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Thank you.